My experience on the events industry is interesting because I started work in events before I took a degree on events management. I was organizing events for about almost 18 years when I felt that was something missing and I need to have more knowledge. And that's why I decided to take a degree in events management, which opened my horizons for various possibilities. There are so many things that you can do in production, such as lighting, sound, AV, staging. So for me, stage management is interesting because of that, because it gives me the possibility to have my hands on in a little bit of light, sound, operations. So yeah, I highly recommend the events management course, because if you, like me, like to have your hands on in many different parts of any job you're doing, so the events management is ideal for that. I would suggest for someone who would like to ingress in a career of events management to come with an open mind, because you might start thinking that you want to do one thing, but the course will lead you to learn so many different other options.